All right. Hello. Sorry. Excuse me. Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. So, this market is kind of pretty easy to call right now. I know the market's up. I guess we can just start with the S&P, but it's really being driven by just a couple things. I mean, the S&P 500 is not surprisingly 500 stocks, hence the name. Look how overbought this is, right? But most of the stocks in the S&P 500 are either going sideways or even down. So what's going on is that the big ones, the biggies, Microsoft, Apple, NVDA, people are selling like other things and they're putting their money into those things. And eventually that money's going to run out and then we're going to get a big reversal. I mean, if you're long S&P, just stay there, but be ready for a quick turn. I just want to show you the SPY fact sheet here. SPY, SSGA, State Street Global Advisors. That's who runs this. So Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, Amazon, right? These are the four biggest companies. Well, you probably fit Google in there. But anyway, let's just look at a couple of the other sectors and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. All right. So the biggest sector is tech, XLK. This is the ETF. I mean, look at this thing. This is parabolic. I mean, this is going to come back. I don't know when, but it will. A move like this is not sustainable. So this is the tech sector. So let's look at just the big three, I guess. Let's look at Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. I mean, there's Apple, extremely overbought. There's NVIDIA. Let's see what's going on with that. Extremely overbought. Here's Microsoft. Extremely overbought. All right, now let's go look at the financial sector. All right. Tech is just one sector. People forget there are other sectors. Look at what financials are doing. This looks really weak. They might be about to break here. The FAS ETF would be a good thing to buy. It's an inverse ETF here if you don't trade options. But this looks weak. Let's look at the second biggest sector, healthcare. I would say neutral to slightly bearish. Let's look at industrials. Neutral to slightly bearish. Communication services will look good, but that's because of Google and Facebook. This was actually part of even this though is turning, right? This is turning. The Google and Facebook are about 30-40% of the sector. So this is dominated. So what am I telling you? I am telling you that on the surface, the market is going up. And if you're in SPY or if you're in the tech stocks, that's great. Ooh, I think someone just lit off some fireworks, which is cool. We got a lot of people lighting off fireworks here as we go up to the 4th of July. But anyway, it's like there's a very few couple things bringing the market higher. This is not a healthy market. I mean, if you're in those names, of course, you're making money. But just be ready for a quick turn because like we just went through these other sectors, that's not all the soldiers are not marching in the same way, so to speak. A couple of the really big ones are, kind of pushing it ahead, but a bunch of the other little ones are kind of going back, and that sets the market up for a move lower. And we're due for a move lower anyway. I mean, in the tech sector, in trading, there's profit taking. There are short-term traders. When you get something that looks like this, the tech sector, there are going to be people that, they don't care where NVIDIA is going to be in 3 years. They don't care where Apple is going to be in 5 years. They don't care. They're just traders. And they say, wow, this is so overstretched. At some point, everyone who wants to buy buys and there's no one left to buy. And if there's no one left to buy, there's no one left to push the stock higher. And the only place it can go is down. And that's going to draw sellers in and they could push the price lower. So, all right, everyone, please make sure you check in tomorrow and like us and subscribe to us and all that good stuff. And thanks a lot. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon.